Welcome back to Byte Sector. Today we're going to be doing a very quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. We picked it up today thanks to Samsung. It was single day courier, so thanks very much Samsung for getting that to us quickly. We're just going to crack it open, take a look at it. Just judging by the box, it looks like they sent us the rose gold and pink watch band. We'll see how it goes, but hopefully it looks good on my wrist. So we'll just cut open the seals there. Looking good. Just before I pull it open, actually, the box is a nice solid box. It's very true to form. Samsung says that this is a lightweight watch. Even with all this heavy cardboard, doesn't feel like a very heavy box. So, premium feel box, good job Samsung. What you could expect from a $200 product. So, cracking it open here, in the back of the lid, we have a little pull tab, a little box that's got our probably warranty information and I dare say manual, but that's probably an incorrect statement in 2019. So, we have literally a booklet with pages, and there is nothing on them. What else do we have in here? So maybe this isn't the most representative of a final product. I'll have to check with Samsung on this one because this is leaving me scratching my head a bit. Two blank pieces of paper, well, one booklet and one blank piece of paper folded up to fit in the box. Presumably, the final product will actually have something useful like a warranty card. So we'll stick that back in here. Boom. Now on to the watch. This is what you're all looking for. So taking a quick look, it's lying on its side. The watch face is protected. Not usually the presentation you see for a smartwatch. Usually they're facing up so that you see the watch face when you first open the box, but this makes it a very nice compact box, reduces packing materials. So there is an upside to it. So we're gonna pull this out. It's a sports smartwatch. Looks very good, sorry. Not too big. It's a 40 millimeter watch. Some of the new ones are 42, 46. This is 40. Nice watch band, feels really good, nice and smooth. Unique clip, gets a bit wide there. But I like it. There it is, looks pretty good. The watch band feels nice. Nice soft silicone watch band. The housing looks nice. There are two buttons on the side here. Nothing on the top. This side has two microphone holes, which is great. Flipping it over, unlike many watch manufacturers, Samsung has opted not to put very much writing on the back. In fact, unless you look closely, you don't even see that it says Samsung Galaxy Watch. And then there's a bit of fine print at the bottom here, but again, not very noticeable. I commend them for not printing their feature list on the back of a watch. Also worth noting, I've seen this on a couple watches now. There are two tabs here at the tops of the watch band. I don't know if you can see that. Here, let's get in really close and see if we can't focus that a bit. So there, try and take a look at that. Two little nubs, they're metal nubs, and what they do is they enable you to easily remove the watch band from the watch itself, making watch band swaps extremely easy. Certainly a far cry from the smartwatches that were first introduced many, many, many years ago. So there we have it. There is the watch. Looks very nice. I think I can pull off pink on my wrist. Also in the box is another watch band, and you're like, why are we getting a second watch band? This one is a little longer for people who have a much larger wrist. As you can see, sorry. As you can see here, there's the length difference. So I'll probably end up using the longer watch band, but very nice of Samsung to include that. I know that when you buy a watch band on Amazon or eBay, Usually you get the 2 lengths, but not many manufacturers are including 2 lengths. Pod. The pod in the middle of the box. This is likely where we're gonna find a charger, and yes. So it's nicely coiled, magnetic, sticks to the USB connector. One of the things that, oh, there's something else in that box. Okay, we'll get to it in a second. Type A USB connector on this end. Coiled cable, looks like a sufficient amount to go from, let's say, the floor to your nightstand or something, or your desk, if that's where you choose to charge it. We're gonna unbox that later and plug it in, but for now we'll stick this back in here, keep it all contained the way it was intended to be. Close that. So we've got that. Pulling this out. Is there anything on the bottom? No, just cool. Some glue to hold it all in place. So we'll stick that back down. Stick our charger back in the center here, lining up the flat side where the watch face goes. We're actually gonna put the watch in and then add the second watch band back. Put the next watch band in there. And then, boom. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. Well, there you have it. We've taken a look at the boxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. It looks interesting. I can't wait to power it on, pair it with my phone, and see how well it does. We're gonna bring a comprehensive review of the watch to you guys in probably 2 or 3 weeks. Depends on how quickly I form opinions of its functionality and really get to use it. Certainly with warmer weather hitting the Greater Toronto area these days, I'll be outside a little more, which is great. It means I'll be able to test its functionality in an active environment rather than being inside. And that's about it. Just a quick unboxing. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you all later. Thanks for watching today's video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs down. Leave us a comment below letting us know what we can improve for next time. But if you did like it, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell beside it so that you get notified the next time we post a video. Don't forget to follow us on social media. We're on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.